You know, seeing how 2020 just makes you want to close your eyes and ignore everything that's going on outside and disconnect from all the horrors that are going on in the world, the Oculus Quest 2 could not have come at a better time. And today, we'll be checking it out, because why not? So, let's just go straight into it, shall we? This is actually super exciting for someone like me who has experienced VR before, at like conventions and stuff like that, but never actually had a VR headset at home. And apparently the Oculus Quest 2 is supposed to be really, really good. Well, of course, if it wasn't super good, I wouldn't have bought it. You know, it's kind of just common sense, you dummy. Oculus Quest 2 by Facebook. This is a really nice little box going on here. Now, oh, here we are. Here we are. Ain't that a beauty and a half? I mean, just look at this puppy over here. And also, I did actually go for the 64 gig version, as you can see, mainly because, well, firstly, it's way cheaper. And secondly, well, because honestly, most of the games I'll be playing on this are gonna be via the PC with the help of this guy, the Oculus, whatever it's called, Oculus Link cable. So yeah, another thing I'm really curious about is how I feel about the motion controls, because I haven't been really brought up on controller motion controls. Like, I didn't grow up with Wii, anything like that. My first experience with motion controls was actually the Xbox Kinect, which didn't require a controller, and to this day it's kind of like the main form of motion controls I've been ever used to. And ooh, this is looking fine indeed. And we also have this thing here, which is supposed to be a glasses spacer. Yeah, that's a glasses spacer. I'm always confused when it comes to VR. Do I need glasses or not? Because the thing is that yes, I do need glasses just to kind of see anything, but I'm short-sighted. And I am pretty short-sighted, but not that short-sighted. I can't see something a few millimeters in front of me. And in the case of, you know, in the case of the Oculus, you literally have the display a few centimeters, so a few millimeters in front of you. So honestly, I am just gonna do it, see if I need it or not. If not, how on earth do I actually put it in? A thing like this, and there we go. Oh, I actually figured it out, no problem, cool. And then this goes back on here like so. Cool. Just cool. I think it's all working now. Now, when it comes to the controller itself, well, firstly, how on earth do you hold it? I can't figure. Okay, you're supposed to hold it like this. Cool. It is gonna get weird to use to, because again, I'm just kind of not used to the whole idea of controller-based motion controls. Like, I do have a Switch, you know, I do some like motion control stuff with it, but like barely any. Especially. Plus the thing is that, oh, cool, it comes with batteries already inside. That's nice of you, Facebook, how kind. Okay, what was I saying? I was kind of scared by the battery. Oh yeah, so like with a super immersive experience like VR, how do I close this? There we go. With like a super, you know, immersive experience like VR, I don't really know what's gonna be like. So which one's the lefty, which one's the righty? It said on them a second ago, now I can't see them. This is Mr. Righty. This can't be Mr. Righty. This feels super weird in my right hand. So this feels natural. Actually, so this feels, you know, more natural, but like, these aren't the correct ones. Oh, never mind, I'm just blind. Like I said, this is the left, this is the right, this is in the stickers. Oops. Okay. Now, how on earth do I even get this thing started? Because honestly, I don't know. I want also, of course, to get a Type-C for charging, a headset, a headphone jack thingy. And what on earth do we get in this little box over here? Chargers, instructions, chargers. Cool. So then, how do I turn it on or do anything with it? I assume it became charged, would make little sense if it didn't. Okay, Zuck, here I come, take me. Okay, like, actually, what do I do now? I should probably read some instructions. That would help. Okay, there's a reference guide and safety and warranty. Okay, are there any things on how to actually fix this? Okay, there's a... Okay, apparently I need to press this for 2 seconds. Oh no, never mind, there is something on it. I just need to actually put it on to see. Like, duh. Again, like I said, I'm not very used to VR. What on earth is going on? Why is this so uncomfortable? Is the picture supposed to be like pink and blue on the edges? Oh my word. This is gonna definitely get some getting used to. I can't even speak. Okay, so I think I need to adjust my interpupillary distance thingy, which I think you do by this button. Ah! No, that's volume. Okay, how do I do the pupil thing? Ah! I don't know VR again. Okay, hello, my controllers are here. I'll probably look like the biggest nerd ever right now. Which one's the lefty, which one's the righty? I don't know. Okay, okay, cool. It's telling me to choose a language. It's just I can't see any of them. Because the whole thing is blurry. How do I stop it being blurry? Check clarity. Yes, please. Adjust the headset on your face until you can see the screen clearly. Okay, well, I think that's as clear as I'm going to get it. This view is actually so cool. Like, I have a VR headset at home, and also I forgot which ones. Oh, you have to adjust this spacing yourself. That makes sense. Please be seated for setup. You can't tell me what to do. Okay then. So thoughts so far. Weird. It's probably just me not being fully used to VR. I don't understand how you have to adjust the interpupillary distance by hand. I kind of wished they had a slider like I know many VR headsets had. These things are kind of comfortable. That is the thing that many people, and I mean, I like it. Again, it's kind of hard for me to describe everything because it is my first VR headset at home. But like, whatever. Okay, it's telling me to sit. Okay, I'm sitting. One thing I still understand, why on earth it's still like blurry? Okay, hopefully now we should be connected. Please? 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 Nope, we're not. Why? Hello? I'm holding this wrong again, aren't I? Are you actually, I have to sit through this thing saying that, but really? I have to sit like through a film saying that you need to be careful when using thingy. VR. Can I like, really? Are you gonna condescend me for like however long? Can I not skip this anywhere, please? And it's doing a software update. Are you actually kidding me? Okay, so first thoughts on this. I'll probably do a whole video actually gaming on this. But first thoughts. Maybe it's just me, but I honestly can't find out why it is so blurry. Maybe it's because I'm wearing glasses and they slip off just like this whenever I try to put it on. But like, or maybe it is just VR itself. I honestly don't know why, but it seems blurry to me. Comfort-wise, it's nice. The controllers are nice, but I wish there was some easy way to find out if you're holding them correctly, if that makes sense, when you're in VR. The cool thing is that while you're in VR, they're kind of displayed in front of you, so you can kind of like grab that place in reality to try and grab it, which is cool, but then you kind of don't know if you're the left one or the right one, or if it's like, and you have to spend a second like with it in your hand. Like, apart from that, I mean, honestly, could be worse so far. Actually, while that's updating, I saw they can like buy games for it using this app, so I'll probably do that, because right now I don't even have any games for it. That's one thing that's one thing I kind of like always forget about, you know. VR is all well and good, but like, you know, you also need games for it as well. What should I go for? Beat Saber. I mean, I guess we have to do Beat Saber. That's just one of those games you have to do. Okay, actually have an idea. While that's updating, why not unbox this Oculus VR cable? There's nothing too special about the Link cable. It's literally just a Type-C to Type-C thing. The only thing that's really special, well, there's two things that make it special. Number one, that is that it's 5 meters, and number two is that it costs something like $80. Yeah, that's some Apple grade pricing if I've ever seen some, but whatever. You can get third-party cables, but like apparently the reliability can be not the best. So I decided just to go, why not? If I'm buying a VR headset, I may as well go for the genuine cable. So what it allows you to do is connect up your VR headset to your PC and allows you to, you know, play games with your PC's hardware, and also games you have installed on your PC that support VR gameplay, say Subnautica. However, also means that your PC needs to have a Type-C connector, which would be a problem for me because I actually don't have a Type-C connector. But I do have something for it, and that is this, a Type-C to Type-A connector. And now if you're doing it this way, you have to be very careful. I need to grab one that's USB 3.1 if you can, because the speed difference between Type-C and USB 3.1 Type-A is pretty much nothing. And you also need to make sure that you actually plug it in on your PC into a super fast USB port. So, you know, the USB Type-A 3.1 is preferable. If you do plug into a USB 2 port, then you probably could see a few problems. Actually, we could do an experiment, why not? It's a free country. We could see the difference as well there. Create Guardian boundary. What on earth are you on about, lady? Also, you can see what I mean now by not being able to. Okay, this controller doesn't work at all, I think. Where's my other controller? Okay then, well, I'm gonna have a whole video of it playing. These are just kind of my first minutes with the Oculus Quest 2. My camera's also yelling at me that I'm running out of space on my SD card, so yeah, I should probably wrap this video up. So yeah, I'm gonna have a few more videos about the Quest 2 coming to my channel, so definitely subscribe to the channel so you don't miss those. And hey, and also while you're still here, check out my Patreon, because even $1 a month goes a long way in helping out my channel. Plus, over the past few days, I've introduced new perks and even a new tier to my Patreon, a special $10 one. If you want to give that much, then you also get a special merch item, a special avrona pin, so definitely go and check it out. I'd also love for my patrons Gavin Burns, LKB, Naomi Sushi, Tiffany Jacobs, and Wolfie. Thank you all so much. Down there's also our Amazon Associates links where you can buy the Oculus Quest 2 if you want. Down there's also our Discord if you want to talk to me as well, this or whatever else really. And that's about it, so I hope you enjoyed this quick little video. If you did, remember to subscribe, like, whatever, and I'll see you all in whatever next. Goodbye everyone. Goodbye.